This is Kamin 15 at 5536 Kamin Street. Nice easy access to the front door and laundry as it's on the first floor. Go on in, come into a tiled entryway. This is nice to have some room here for coats and shoes. This one is $9.49 plus electric, water, and sewage. It does have brand new bamboo hardwood, really nice. Nice open living room. You could do, split it up into a living room, an office space, or living room and dining room space. Very, very bright. Nice big windows, lots of nice light comes in here. This faces the side of the building on Wendover. This is electric heat, baseboard heat, which you can see here. Another view of the room. Kitchen's back here. Really nice shiny tiling on the walls. Floors, cabinet space is pretty decent. Nice big stove. Nice big refrigerator here. And there's some room here for some shelving, storage. This is just an extra fire exit out of the building. Another view of the living room. Bathroom's over here. Really nice bright lighting in here. Some newer fixtures with lighting, mirrors, cabinets, sink. Shiny tiling on the wall again in here. Nice big tub. Shower head. This is the bedroom back here. It is carpeted. Nice big bedroom. Has the electric baseboard heating in here. Nice big closet. There's actually another small closet back here. Behind the door. And again, this room is big enough for bed, dresser. You could fit a desk in here. You could fit more than one dresser in here. And that's Kamin 15.